Stay focused and find an accountability partner. Stay focused. There is so many things, tasks, to-dos, you name it, that are going to start coming at you. So many things that you think you need to be doing. So many fires that you need to put out. But if you don't stay focused, you will lose the traction that you need to scale and grow, and you will start making steps backwards instead of forwards. If you find somebody to be in your camp, to root you, to hold you accountable, you're going to see a lot more success. Whether that's in terms of a coach, somebody in the SIG, somebody from NAPO, it doesn't matter who, but someone that's just not going to let you slide by, but really says, did you do it? Are you on task? Are you on target with your goals? Find an accountability partner, put on those blinders like a horse, and stay focused. Or as in Star Wars, stay on target.